seen rapid changes over the last year. We've moved from things that are doing like inline tab completion to authoring chunks of code to actually completing simple multi-part tasks. We really see the potential for the entire developer experience and frankly, the way that software is built to be completely reimagined. We're taking what's exciting about AI-powered software development, but we thought there was opportunity to add structure to it, to make it ready for enterprises to adopt and for high-velocity code development teams to use more effectively. And this is why we launched Kiro, the agentic development environment for structured AI coding. Kiro helps developers take advantage of the speed of AI coding, but with more structure, where they're in the driver's seat every step of the way. Kiro has popularized this idea of spec-driven development. From simple to complex projects, Kiro works alongside developers and teams, turning prompts into these detailed specs, and then into working code by its advanced agents. So what you get and what gets built is exactly what you want and expect. Kiro understands the intent behind your prompts and helps you and your team implement very complex features in large code bases and in fewer shots. Now, the reception to Kiro has been, quite frankly, overwhelming. Hundreds of thousands of developers have already used Kiro since the preview of the launch just a few months ago. Let's hear directly from them on how transformative Kiro has been to their work.
I use Kiro in almost all the development I do. I ask it questions, I create specs with it.
With Kiro, I was able to ship more code in the last 5 months than in the past 10 years.
With Kiro, I'm able to work with a partner, so it feels like we're collaborating on the project together.
It operates the way my brain operates when solving a problem.
I can just say, hey Kiro, remember that feature we added in? Can you also write a test as well?
I can be hands-on once I break the problem down and just let Kiro deliver for me.
I feel like my world has just opened up to a completely different perspective.
Everything feels possible now.
You can go from 0 to POC 10 times faster.
Kiro makes me want to build more.
Honestly, Kiro is just awesome.
We think you're all gonna love how Kiro will transform your development work. And so, I'm excited to announce today that for any qualified startup, we're giving away a year's worth of Kiro, up to 100 seats, if you apply in the next month. We're so excited about the impact that Kiro is having on making developers' lives better each and every day. And I've frankly been amazed at the impact that this development velocity has seen inside of Amazon. In fact, we've been so blown away that last week, all of Amazon decided to standardize on Kiro as our official AI development environment internally. We took a look at all of the tools out there in the market, and we recognized that the best way for us to make our developers faster and more productive was to double down on Kiro. And many of you all are rapidly doing the same. Now I want to take a quick moment and dive deeper into one of the stories we heard in this video, because I think the details are pretty eye-opening.